This is how I made these pleated skirts. You're gonna need lining fabric and your main fabric. Try to find them in the same color. Fold the lining fabric and your main fabric in half and then stack them on top of each other. Then I pinned down my pattern pieces. I did this for the front of the skirt and the back of the skirt. If you need a pattern making tutorial on this skirt, let me know and I can make one. The next step is to mark your dart lines, and these darts are gonna make the skirt fit you better on the backside. Sew down the dart lines on your lining fabric and your main fabric. Cut off the excess fabric if you need to, then join right sides together and sew across the top. For the front of the skirt, I'm going to split it in two so that I can add a zipper to the front of the skirt. I tried to split it about a third of the way through the skirt. Then you're going to add pins and sew across the top. Flip your pieces right side out, and now you can place the front and the back of the skirt right sides together. Now I'm going to sew down the sides, top stitch, and attach the zipper. Then do a basting stitch across the bottom. Now we're going to make the pleats. I want these pleats to be about 8 inches. To account for seam allowance, I'm going to make strips of fabric that are about 8.5 inches thick. The length of this strip of fabric is going to be 3 times the size of your hip measurement. Then I made my pleats and top stitched, placed them right sides together with my skirt, and then sewed them in place. I also went over that stitch with the overlock machine, and then I top stitched. This was the final result. Let me know what you think and follow and save for more sewing videos.